Good day, ma'am and classmates. I am Joanna Ibagundang from BTLED HE2. I choose the country Japan and I will give some information and details about Japan. Japan is an island country in East Asia, located in the Northwest Pacific Ocean.
Some of the most well-known companies in the world are Japanese, such as Toyota, Honda, Nintendo, Canon, Panasonic, Toshiba, and Sharp. Japanese cuisine has become popular around the world. Some well-known dishes are sushi, sashimi, and tempura. Sumo is recognized as the national sport of Japan.
National language of Japan is Japanese.
Anime is sans drawing and computer animation originating from Japan.
The currency of Japan is Japanese yen.
Key exports include vehicles, machinery, and manufactured goods. In 2015 to 2016, Japan's major export destinations were the United States 20.2%, China 17.5%, and Republic of Korea 7%.
Tokyo is Japan's capital.
Japan is a world leader in robotics. Japanese engineers are known for producing a range of human-like robots such as Asimo. Japan, 4 major islands from north to south: Hokkaido, Honshu, Shikoku, and Kyushu. Honshu is the largest of the 4, followed in size by Hokkaido, Kyushu, and Shikoku. 2020 estimated population of Japan is 126,476,461. Head of Government Prime Minister Suga Yoshihide. Some of beautiful destinations in Japan are Tokyo, Shibuya City, and Okinawa.